The two most powerful varies are patience and time. It is not the beauty of a building you should look at, it's the construction of the foundation that will stand the test of time. Together we can change the world, just one random act of kindness at a time. The secret of a happy marriage is finding the right person. You know they are right if you love to be with them all the time. I am grateful for all the moments that I have and I am moving forward on one step at a time to the future. I am not a sad person upset the whole time, but I seem to be quite emotional. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. What you feel inside reflects on your face, so be happy and positive all the time. Life is too short to not have fun. We are only here for a short time compared to the sun and the moon and all that. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. You can fool all the people some of the time and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Children should be able to live a life free from bullying and harassment, and it is the time that we all took a stand against this.